All right, how good are you at painting? Apparently, you might be better than you think.
Yeah, and I like that this is involving some structure. Maybe you do painting as a hobby. This really gives you the tools in your tool belt. April Pendergrass is with the Craft House by April. She's here to unleash out the inner artist at FOX19.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm so glad that you're here because not everybody, I mean, your art is really great, and you're going to show us that almost anybody can do this, right?
Right.
Can we really, though?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so what are you going to show us how to make this morning?
Okay, so this morning we are going to do the exotic elephant.
Okay, cool.
It's a very fun summer painting and bright. And we can get right on into it.
Let's do it.
Ready.
What do we do first? What brush do we use?
You're going to use your large brush.
Large brush, okay.
Yes. And we're going to do the background first, so we're going to go around the elephant with all yellow.
Yellow. Okay. So around the
yellow. And this is acrylic, right?
It is acrylic paints.
Okay.
All right.
So we're just going to go around it. Okay. All right. We're watching.
Like a border?
Yes.
Yes.
So here's the thing. I've always had trouble. I was never good in art. So just stay within the lines, we'd be good. That's what you said, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Coloring inside the lines.
So are you doing it kind of like a frame, or am I going too far down on the elephant?
You're going to go completely around the elephant, around the trunk.
Okay.
And just leave the elephant, because we're going to do gray there.
Okay. And here's the thing. What's great about this is that not only is it, you know, unleashing our inner artists, it's good for the mind.
It is.
Relaxing.
And it doesn't involve a cell phone or an iPad.
Yes. It's very therapeutic.
Yeah.
So this is fun. I mean, in terms of how much of the canvas underneath do you want to be able to see the white?
You want it covered completely.
Okay, so you don't want to see any of that.
No, just get that paint on there really good and heavy.
I'm really taking my time with this.
I know.
Ooh, and I accidentally got some red in there. Oh, no.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. We're going to add red into it anyway. If it's too much red, just rinse your brush and dry it off.
Okay. And you do classes like this all the time for all ages?
I do.
Okay.
Yes.
And this is a good thing for maybe a girls' night out or a fun little social gathering, right?
Yep. Birthday parties, corporate events, team building, so many different things that you can really use it for.
It's kind of taking it up a notch from paint by numbers from when we were a kid, huh?
Right.
Okay, I think I'm doing it right.
So we've heard of like sometimes the wine drinking with the
it's
painting.
The same.
I'm watching how you're doing this now. I feel like okay. Do we go in here too? All of this got to be yellow?
Yes, you do.
Okay, we're doing it. All right. I don't want to be wrong.
If you need me, I can come help you. Just let me know.
I love that. Okay, so if folks want to do this with you, how can they get involved and learn from you personally?
I do in-home classes where I come to your house, your office, or any venue, and they can contact me through Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, and it's the Craft House by April. And then I also work at Main Street Masterpieces in Sharonville on Reading Road, and I actually hold weekly classes there for the public. So you don't have to have a party. You can just come by yourself, come with your friends, or bring a date.
I love it. Okay, we're going to put the details of how folks can find you on our website, of course, at FOX19now.com.
So, April, I have a question. I mean, how are we doing right now?
Let's be honest.
I think you're doing great.
It's a good start.
Just stay off the elephant. Come over under here.
Okay.
Where the neck is.
Here.
Under the trunk. Yep.
Boom.
Oh, that little section. Okay,
that's
like
what
the triangle right there. I
and then,
missed that too.
As soon as we get the yellow on there, the next step is just to put a little bit of red, and we'll do that together as well.
You know what? Same brush?
Huh?
Same brush?
Same brush.
Oh.
And we won't even rinse it yet. I'll let you know when you need to rinse it.
So what if we accidentally cross some of these lines here?
The gray will cover it up.
There you go. Cover up the mistakes. That's what I like.
Yes.
That's very helpful. Okay.
Okay, so if your yellow is completely covered, you're going to dip very lightly into your red. You don't want to lock because it completely takes it over.
Okay.
And then we're going to start in the upper left corner and do some crosses.
Ooh, I could do that. Look at that. I'm actually impressed with myself. April, you make me feel really, really artistic. I could do this all day if I could. We're running out of time, unfortunately. We'll see if we can do a little bit more during the break.
Yeah.
You can find April. We're going to put details on our website at FOX19now.com so you can do some art yourself.
Let's see how much progress we make in the next hour.
I feel like we're going to be good.
Yeah.
Okay, We've made some progress, folks. April has been helping us out, making our elephant. She's still in the studio right now, giving us some tips on how to be artists. Yours is coming along.
It's a little harder than it looks.
It is harder.
You know, there's a technique involved.
But it's a good time. You're having fun. You're painting. Relaxing. I can see where it's going to go. April, because after this is when you add the gray and the elephant comes to life, right?
Absolutely. And I'm going to start on the elephant right now. I already rinsed out my brush and dried it really well.
Okay.
And then I'm going to go straight into my gray, and I'm going to start painting my elephant.
Ooh, I'm doing that. Okay.
Well, what if you wanted to do something crazy like a pink elephant? Could you do that?
Ooh, you can do whatever you want. Absolutely.
What does that say about me that I would do that?
No, I like that. Do that, please.
I need to break the rules, I guess, you know.
Yeah. Here's the thing. If you don't love what you're doing, it's really in the eye of the beholder. You'll be proud of your work no matter what.
Absolutely.
Right?
It's your own masterpiece.
That's what I like. Because mine is not traditionally pretty, right?
It's abstract.
It's abstract. I like what you're saying, April. Okay, I wish we had more time. April, we're going to put all the details of how you can do this with April on your own time. All the details on our website at fox19now.com. We're really having a good time doing it.
So much fun. And we're going to be back, of course, with another look at the forecast.
This is Fox19 Now, Morning Extra.
I'm officially an artist, people.
We're still working.
I'm even proud of myself right now.
You know what?
Sign it and everything.
I think yours is beautiful. I think mine is still a work in progress. I'm still figuring out how to break the rules with mine and do something a little crazy.
I like that, though.
Yeah, so we'll see.
April said that's is always a rule breaker in every artist group, and I think
absolutely.
That's cool.
So, Jeff, what about you? Are you good at painting?
No, I'm busy watching Jessica and Rebecca Brandt.
There you go. He said it right there. He's going to be the big...
Right. Hey, we've been talking about painting throughout the morning. Me and Rebecca decided to paint some elephants with April Pendergrass with her help and guidance and her finishing touches.
Yeah, we should be 100%
got some final looks,
yeah,
right?
those are a little different than when I've last saw them.
Yeah. Okay, so hers, that's April's on the far left, right? Beautiful. That's Rebecca's right next to it.
Yep, did it all myself.
It looks really good. I think it came out really good. And then there's mine on the right. See, I added some, if you zoom in, I added some lashes, which I thought was a bad idea. But April fixed them up for us. What do you think, April?
I think they're beautiful.
I do too.
They look great.
All right. So it is possible. We can all do it.
Absolutely.
The lashes are a good touch, don't you think?
I do. I absolutely love it. And we just need to get a nose ring on the other one, and we're all good.
I love that. And you can have your own creative expression. Jeff, what do you think?
I think they're all wonderful.
Which one would you buy?
You know what? If I had enough money, I'd buy all three of them and use them in different...
Political answer.
Okay, so April, for folks who are watching and they got to see this through, how can they be a part of this experience themselves once again for folks who are just joining?
I'm the Craft House by April, and you can find me on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook, where I post all my events.
Yeah.
And I come to you, or you can come to the studio that I'm working at.
I mean, I never thought when I saw your painting, April, that ours could get to your level.
And we're not even finished. It really could. You haven't even done final touches or all the pretty exotic embellishments.
Right. So anybody, I mean, it's possible.
Well, and I like the fact that you can be kind of rough around the edges, so to speak, with this. I mean, you don't have to be super perfect, right?
Right. Yeah, because abstract is a great look.
There you go. I love that.
I like that, yes.
Yeah. April, so glad to have you with us. It's been a pleasure painting with you, and I've learned a lot. I really did.
Beautiful stuff.
Yeah. Lashes on the elephant is cute. All right. We're going to have so much more on the next show coming down the pipe at 4 o'clock, and, of course, later on tonight. But first, we have a viral story to talk about, too, coming up in a little bit after this.